What's up, everybody? Alright, ew. What's up, everyone? It's your girl. Why are you like this? Oh my god. What's up, everybody? It's Amy Lynn here, and today I'm going to be showing you the infamous Rihanna of Vogue. I'm gonna be trying. I'm not showing you nothing. Don't copy anything I do. Watch Rihanna, because I still don't know what I'm doing, and I watched her, and yeah, basically that's what I'm gonna do today. I'm gonna show you guys me doing makeup that Rihanna showed me to do on herself. Did that make any sense?
Shimmy yeah, drink, swalla la la, drink, swalla la la, swalla la la. Possibilities, I look like all you need. One kiss is all it takes. Falling in love with me. Possibilities, I look like all you need.
Let's get started. All right. Oh wow, I don't have signal right now. Okay, there we go. Oh, she cute.
No, I look fat. Hi guys.
Hi.
I'm not gonna say hi guys, right? We're walking slugs actually. Hi. Hi. I am going to do my makeup for you guys. All of you Vogue readers and you Vogue bloggers and you Vogue fans. We're gonna have some fun today, so I hope you're ready. We're gonna start with the foundation. So now let's get messy with it. Let's do this.
She got messy with it. Mine's already fucking messy, so. Her stuff is kind of watery, so she kind of put on a lot, you know what I'm saying? Oh, she's moving really
This
fast.
I just like because it's like a safe bet. It's consistent. Okay, that's only half of my face.
She sponges and she wipes. Doesn't that wipe the makeup off? Rihanna, I'm not judging you at all because I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just talking shit. That is all. You know, I'm gonna copy what you're doing because you the professional. Actually, the shade's not that bad. It's really not that bad. Okay. I like Rihanna, hers is a little bigger than mine, but yeah, so she like blends her. Hold on.
I can do my makeup in 10 minutes or 10 hours it feels like sometimes. Depends on what kind of day you're having.
Yeah, she put on a lot more than I did.
You really are. My next step is gonna be a little bit of contour. Mocha here. Contour right here.
She contours.
Very important to contour your face for your face, not the way you see on every YouTube tutorial, because everybody has a different shape. I have a huge forehead, so I like to go in a little deeper down here. Hi.
Me too, girl. So this is what we about to do. She used mocha, so I'm using mocha. She put a lot. This might be too dark for me, honestly.
Like that. You know what I'm saying?
Oh!
Very important to go into the hairline too, because I hate to see that white line between your forehead and your hair. You should just blend in naturally. And up and down the nose. Contour always starts off looking absolutely
Horrendous.
crazy. I got double chin.
Girl.
I learned how to contour when I gained weight.
Me
Believe it or
too.
not. That's when it comes in real handy. Them fat days and your cheeks looking like baby cheeks. You just got like, see that look.
You're supposed to blend up, right? I missed that part. I wasn't really paying attention. Bitch, what is this? I just don't understand how she's literally blending with a foundation brush. I'm trying, but I don't understand that. I don't understand. How is she blending with a fucking mocha? Maybe. Just a little too dark for me. Rihanna, you got me looking like a damn Hershey's Kiss. Okay. I am literally sweating right now. Literally.
I like to do all the deeper situations before I go in and like highlight my face. So you see, like, this is a little messy right now, but I'll handle that. So you always want to do a triangle when you're doing a contour under there. Give you that whole long neck situation. It just disappears. Concealer. This I actually like to warm up on my hand first. Just like that. And then like one little swipe.
A one swipe?
Everybody knows concealer's made for hiding bags and...
So I don't have a roll-on concealer, so I'm gonna use this Tarte Tape Shape. But she said one swipe, like... Okay. Rihanna, you tripping, girl. Let me see.
Dark circles and hangovers and bad decisions. All right here. Look here.
We don't want to make bad decisions,
My
Riri.
day-to-day really depends on my mood. Depends on the occasion. It depends on how lazy I'm feeling that day. How much in a rush I am. You know, who I'm going to see. It all determines what kind of makeup I do, if I do makeup, and how much makeup I'm gonna wear. Okay, now we're looking a little smoother. Whoa.
I'm trying to make this one swipe stretch as much as possible, but your girl got bags. I don't have bags. I have fucking luggage. You know what I'm saying? Like, this is the whole damn under the plane, under the jet shit under my eyes. Like, this ain't cute. I got baggage. Okay.
Alright, I'm gonna go on my nose because I'm a little sunburnt right now, so I have
I'm not sunburnt, but
straight up and down that nose bridge.
okay, I don't know if I missed something, but she definitely didn't put nothing on the sponge or put it on her face. I'm assuming she put a little bit of concealer there, so I'm gonna just add some because this video is moving too damn fast.
Control.
All right.
I use this powder to set my contour, to set my makeup, to blot. Oh my gosh, when you get greasy on the fly, honey, it is no joke. Always in my purse. I can never leave home without this. And if it doesn't fit in my purse, then I'm changing my purse.
Amen,
I
sister.
need to warm up this face a little bit. So I'm gonna use a little bit of bronzer, and I go right over that contour. The blend is real.
Girl, what brush is that?
A little more finesse on the forehead over here. You guys can see it's not that difficult. It only takes me long when I'm procrastinating. I'm going along my nose right here. Next, brows. And next, I am going to use the same bronzer and warm up my eyes a little bit. You can see my eyes start to come to life a little bit. See that?
My bronzer is not as dark as hers, so... Did my eyes warm up any bit? Probably not. Then what?
I have been watching women do makeup, since my mom. And then I started working in an industry where makeup was going to be part of my everyday, basically. So I picked up a lot of tips there. And I think the best teacher is yourself. You have to practice on your own face, because there are going to be things that you can do better than makeup artists. Like, there's a certain point where they hand you something and you do it because there's one way that you like it and one way that it works.
Amen.
For me, that's my brows. Super.
I only had my makeup done professionally once.
And my nose contour.
I was in high school.
Very special nose.
And she was
Next is going to be a little bit of eyelid drama. Beach, please. Beach, please.
Beach, please.
Yeah. I'm going to start with the pink on the lids because it's...
So I don't have that color or that palette, so I actually don't know what the fuck I'm about to do. I'm going to use this. I think hers looked a little darker. I'm going to use this one. Oh yeah, hers look like this. Beach, please.
This summer, sunset, love, drama,
She's
bitches. That was easy. I always like to warm up underneath my eyes, give it a little definition.
With the pink.
What kind of day I'm having really determines how I'm going to apply this. Most days you just want to go right by the lash line, but like a day like today where I've barely had any sleep, you want to get all those little bags right there. But the creases, and that's the times you just want to go like right now. Like, I want to give you guys a vibe, and my vibe for summer is more is more.
Pink on your...
You definitely want to smile when you're putting on your blush. Here's your face, and here are your cheeks. See? As soon as you smile, you know exactly where to put that. Okay.
Okay.
I'm gonna stop now. I know you guys noticed that I've been using this really cool brush, which I like to call my sharp toothbrush, but it's a cheek hugging brush. It's made perfectly for your cheeks. I want to try some of this.
What is this? Damn.
And that makes sense together and blend together.
I look retarded. She just said lashes and she didn't even do anything to her lashes. I'm gonna do something to my lashes though. I look like a doo-doo head cootie queen. Alright. I'm gonna put some mascara on because she didn't put none on.
Like, it's in the vein of what I'm trying to do. It looks pink right here. You see that little bit of gold? Look how much it really shows up. Oh! Guys, you guys. Look at that.
Yeah, you cute girl. I honestly hate lip gloss. This is the only one I have. It's from L'Oreal. No, it's not. Estee Lauder. What? Is you done?
Look kind of cute.
I don't. The exposure was really high. So this is the final look. My hair looks a mess because it's so humid in here and it's hot. I told you guys. And it's but anyways, yeah, Riri, I don't look like you, so I look a mess. But it's all good because it doesn't matter. I don't know. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you all next time.